Welcome back. So where were we? All right. Over here, module. Okay. Wasn't that hard, right? So then we'll come back to the stove, clean up around the igniters. Have to be careful though. And of course, we'll take care of the burners. I want to show you something else I plan on doing with the burners. It's going to really help. This is just a basic scrub brush, nothing special, nothing fancy. You've seen them in all the stores, 3 in a pack sometimes for a little over $1. Let's get this gunk and build up from around the igniters because you never really know what the problem is. So you want to eliminate any threats just in case. So yeah, we'll take care of it real soon. Again, be mindful. I'm probably scrubbing a little too hard, but I just want to get all that grease away from the igniter because this thing has to shoot out the spark to go through the burner. Here's another little trick. So what I plan on doing, you see this hole? You might not be able to see this hole. It's very small. But the spark shoots through this hole, and when it meets the gas, that's how you get the fire. But you don't want this blocked in any way, or you might have trouble lighting your stove. So I'll take a needle or a pin, something like that, and see if it's clogged in any way. Again, nothing special, nothing fancy. Got them from Walmart, very cheap. Here's how you can tell there's nothing blocking that hole. Needle goes right through, so we shouldn't have any problem in that regard. Well, so far so good. Took care of all the burners. Pin really helped. Problem is, I wasn't able to get that module. Can't walk in your local store and get one. And none of the other HVAC stores or plumbing stores or stores like that had one. It's just a waiting game now. I don't have the part. I ordered it from Amazon. Put all the stuff back. It's actually a good stove. You know what though? I want to show you what I was talking about though. I didn't give you a good example. Hold on for a minute. All right. It's plugged back in. Time isn't right, I think. So let's turn the knob. See what's going on. Absolutely nothing. See? Do you trust that I turned the gas back on? I did. I think Amazon is going to destroy all retail. Probably already has. And the post office. Let's get to work. But before we do anything, what do? Unplug it and cut off the gas, right? Okay. Here we go. This is how it looks. This is how it comes. Let me show you the number just in case you need one for your stove. I hope not, but if you do, this is what it is. I didn't think you wanted me to show you how to take the stove apart again. Let's just get right to it. Here's the module. Here's the new one. Finally, out with the old and in with the new. Don't forget to take a picture so you'll remember where the wires go. Let's wrap it up. Moment of truth. Did our hard work pay off? Let's plug back in. Let's give it a try. Come on. Turn that knob. I see something. There we go. Well, you can't see it. I can't. That one works. Okay. What about this one? Oh, no, I got the wrong one. Okay, that works. What about you? Oh, yeah. Wow. Even more vibrant. And what about you? Okay. Success. It worked. We did it. So if your stove top doesn't work, it's the spark plug module. I want to show you all of them at once, just in case you think I'm not telling the truth. This is how it looks. The burner should come on like this with no problem. We did it. All right. Thanks for watching. As always, you guys take care. Bye.